SUI is going absolutely wild today. How many SUI coins will it take to become a SUI coin millionaire? We're going to talk about that today. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. We're going to be talking about how many SUI you need to become a millionaire. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, I want to show you guys. If you've been following me on crypto Twitter, you would have known that I bought SUI at $1.86, and I thought I was somewhat top blasting. I thought I was buying, I was chasing, and this is one of the only coins I have bought this bull market. All the other coins I've purchased have been in the bear market, so I'm just hodling strong, but SUI just was giving me that itch, and it was poking me, telling me, it was really screaming in my face saying, I'm the next Solana. I'm the next Solana. I'm moving like Solana. I'm a market outlier. So I top blasted. I waited. When we came up to like $2.30, I said, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. And it started coming down. And at about $2, I said, all right, we're getting close. And then when we broke below the previous high, I bought in at this yellow line at about $1.86, guys. And now we are testing $5. But let's really break this down. How many SUI coins do you need to become a millionaire? Over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, I gave you SUI at $1.86, and I was a buyer of SUI at $1.86. I took partial profits at $5. Let's see how high we can go. I did take a little bit off the table, guys, because if you've been watching the Crypto Report channel, you know that I preach, I take profit along the way up, guys. I've been trading crypto for nearly a decade. This is how I am a profitable trader. This is my strategy. Everyone should find out their best strategy that works out best for you, because everyone's different, especially when it comes to trading and investing. But I like to take profit along the way. So one of my first targets was around $4.50. So I took some profit, guys. But I'm going to be honest with you. I think this can get very, very crazy here. I think this can continue and go very, very high. And I'm going to tell you how you can become a SUI coin millionaire, especially with the entire altcoin season getting ready to absolutely go wild. We're starting to see some signal that is flashing, saying that the alts are about to go insane and liquidity is going to move into these altcoins, including SUI. And if you guys do believe that as well, then I recommend you check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus to this exchange. You also get 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. No other exchange is offering this right now, guys. Take advantage of this, even if you don't want to trade right now. But when you want to take some profits later on, and if you want to trade in a year from now, I recommend that you sign up through this link right now because you'll be grandfathered into that 10% off all trading fees. No one else is offering that. Take advantage of that. But let's break this down, guys. How many SUI coins to be a millionaire? Right now, we're sitting at rank 16, up a massive 30% in the past 7 days and 30% in the past 24 hours. Because, guys, the past couple days, we were selling off pretty significantly. We were, and it spooked everybody across the board. And we were seeing some signals in the market that was saying, hey, maybe we're going to be consolidating here for a little bit for the next couple weeks and not just be going to higher and higher and higher highs. But through bull markets, guys, I've been telling everybody, you know, some of the drawdowns in bull markets are much more brutal than drawdowns in bear markets. They're very, very volatile, and there's such a bigger delta swing can kind of catch a lot of people off guard, and they think it's over. There's a lot of pain in bull markets, guys, and nobody said the bull markets would be easy. So SUI is sitting at a $14 billion market cap, all right? $4.80. Let's just say SUI's at about $5. We did touch about $5 today. Let's say SUI is at $5, okay? Right now, we're sitting at a $14 billion market cap. We are seeing absolutely massive adoption across the board for crypto. There is a cultural shift towards crypto, being pro-crypto. This can get crazy, guys. Bitcoin is over $100,000. You've got governments and nation states saying they want to start Bitcoin strategic reserves. I don't think people understand absolutely how crazy that is. That is absurd, because if one country starts doing it, next thing you know, it's going to be a digital arms race, and everyone's going to be trying to buy as much Bitcoin as they can. It's going to push the price to the absolute moon. It's going to flip gold, and gold is sitting at an $18 trillion market cap. That's a 10x on Bitcoin. Now you're talking about $1 million Bitcoin. It can get really out of hand, and it can get really, really silly. let's say that SUI 10x's from here, okay? Let's say SUI goes to $50. Well, if you were to buy 20,000 SUI right now, and it 10x's, that's $1 million, guys. And I think it's possible. I think that if you were to get 20,000 SUI at $5, at 10x's, your $100,000 turns into $1 million. I think that's very, very possible here. Let's look a little bit further, because there's some signals in Bitcoin dominance that we really need to be looking at that really show, I'm not just being a crazy moon boy, because SUI is sitting at rank 16. It's moving like Solana. It's before there's a massive mind share behind it, but it's backed. When I look at that price action on SUI, it just screams there's some big players that are keeping this coin up. It is absolutely insane. And looking at the overall market, Bitcoin being over $100,000, Ethereum starting to get that run up. When Ethereum starts to move, the altcoins follow not that long after. But Bitcoin dominance, guys, this is so important to be looking at right now. Every 4 years, we look for this exact moment. So please pay attention here, guys. After 2 long years of this massive rising wedge where the majority of the liquidity was moving into Bitcoin, Bitcoin was like a vacuum cleaner, just sucking up all that liquidity in the crypto space. 2 long years, we are finally breaking down. We are looking at the weekly time frame, and we have our first couple red candles confirming a breakdown on the weekly. I want to point out, the other day, these 3 little green candles, they're not very, they look little, but across the board, they were wiping out altcoins. But if you've been watching this channel, I was saying, I expect something like this. You come down, you slam down, you get that bounce, and that's when the fun begins. When you start to see this breakdown after that little bit of a bounce, I expect altcoins to go absolutely wild, guys, okay? And I do think that it's not crazy to be thinking about a $100 billion SUI. I don't think that is that insane. The way it is moving reminds me of Solana back in 2020, 2019, 2021, that past cycle. It's very strong. It is a market outlier, and it doesn't have the mind share behind it yet. It's like Solana before Solana had the largest community, okay? And I'm not throwing any shade on Solana, because Solana it has the largest community by far, in my opinion. It is the most used blockchain. And I know I'm an Ethereum bag holder myself, so don't be coming at me, because I know how some of you guys are with Ethereum. But SUI reminds me of Solana, and I'm bullish on it. I took partial profits at $5, like I said, over on Crypto Twitter. Follow me, 333blackc. I expect this to continue to go up. I do think that it can 10x from here. It requires a lot of things to happen across the board. Fundamentally, we have to see Bitcoin go much, much higher, in my opinion, to see that. But regardless, I do expect SUI to continue to make big moves here, guys. If you stuck around this far, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and please go follow me on Instagram at 333blackc. If I can get 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to give back to you guys in the spirit of this bull market. But really, that's all really I got. I just wanted to make this video about how many SUI coins to become a millionaire. And I would say probably about 20,000-ish SUI coins right now. And you see the market cap 10x, then you have $1 million. So about $100,000 investment, you get a 10x, you get $1 million, something like that. And it's rough, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion, and I do think that it's possible. But that's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.